Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, Amazon got me again. I told myself I wasn't gonna go crazy for Prime Day, but here we are again. Today I'm sharing my absolute favorite steals and a few impulse buys that I definitely didn't plan for. Don't regret. And yes, I even found some gems you're gonna want to grab before they disappear. Comment below with what you bought on Prime Day and what you recommend. I'm always looking for great suggestions. I have a almost 4-year-old daughter that we go to Disney multiple times a year, and so I'm always looking for like travel accessories, anything for Disney. So comment down below if you have any ideas. All right, let's get into it. All right, she's gonna join us. So one of the most useful things I think I bought, because we go to Disney all the time, I thought I would invest in a new fan. So we've been going to Disney with this little handheld fans, and it just isn't cutting it for the month of June. We're sliding right into August now, so we have a trip coming up in September. So I'm gonna try this out. This came recommended from a fellow YouTuber, Andrea Moverly. So we're gonna check it out and see if it lives up to expectations. But yeah, this was an incredible deal. I think I got it for about $10 on Prime Day. I will insert the price here. But yeah, it's just one of these little compact fans. All right, so it comes.
I got this one. It's a unicorn.
I guess it doesn't fold up like just compactly, but
And this is for home, and it's not for Disney World.
it is for Disney World.
No, it's not for Disney.
Show them what it is. Show them what it is.
Please do it for me.
Okay, so this is why I don't like to do things, but we were not able to film. She's just like my stage 5 clinger. So, yeah, here we are. So we got a Sticker Wow book. This was for my intention to use on our September trip, but somebody has now found it. So, yeah. We might have to add another one to the shopping list.
Why?
Okay, getting back to the fan. So, this doesn't fold up compact, but there are, ooh.
Please don't.
Oh yeah, this is definitely going to be a game changer.
Oh,
There's 5 levels, and it's pretty strong. So good tip. If you're going to Disney, you might want to pick up this fan. Don't stuck your hair into it. So it comes with a little rechargeable cord, and it also comes with a strap, I guess, so you could hang it from your chest. So this is going to be a great thing. I might even use this going into work into the city. This is really great. So add this to your next Amazon purchase. All right, next up on the list, if you follow my channel at all, you'll know, obviously I just said we go to Disney a lot. Now, I am a sucker for these little athletic dresses. I have them in about 5 or 6 different colors, and now I have purchased 2 more. So this was a great deal. It was like under 20 bucks. It was $19. So I got them in turquoise, which is a really bright, beautiful color. I thought this would be great to be jasmine. And then I got a black one. So as they're still in the packaging, I'll put up on the screen a picture of what it looks like on the body. From like in another color from one of my previous trips. We're about to get ready for our June trip. I realized that our snack bag went missing. I was gonna add the snack bag for our June trip. So anyway, I saw that they had these on sale for Prime Day, so I ended up waiting and I got it on Prime Day. So these are great to put, they put like chips, granola bars. They're pretty good, it's pretty good size. Mine went missing, I have no idea where it is, but you could definitely fit a lot in here, and I love that it's cute and says snacks. So usually what I'll do is I'll put a bunch of snacks in there and I'll stick it in my carry-on. So also we could bring it with us into the hotel, and it works pretty great. All right, next thing. This was one of those impulse buys. So it's not working? Okay, you're gonna have to have Daddy fix it, I think. Okay, so I have the Wow Root Lift, I think it's called like Root Lifter Spray, and it works pretty well for when I wear my hair down. But I used to, like about 10-15 years ago, I used to wear my hair like real curly, just like that wet and go look. But I never really found anything that gave me those like Irish curls kind of thing. So anyway, I got suckered into this dream coat for curly hair. So I haven't really had an opportunity to test it out yet, but yeah, I don't know if this is something you want to try. If you're looking for something similar, maybe you have like similar hair to mine that is slightly wavy. All right, sticking with the hair and beauty theme, I have the Moroccan Oil Frizz Shield Spray. So last year, my friend, it's Priscilla Marie, recommended that for her trip to Florida. So I was like, you know what, I want to pick it up. And I really, really enjoyed it. So I only got the travel size, but now I bought the big one, which is about, I think it was about the same price as what I paid for the travel size spray. And this is definitely also like a good game changer for you're down in Florida to beat the heat for your hair. If you got frizzy hair, that's what happens to mine. As soon as I go out, it falls flat and everything. This helps to fight that. So it's just the Moroccan Oil Frizz Shield Spray. All right, next two beauty items. I needed the, I can never say this, Mario Badescu brightening eye serum. So I picked up one of those because I was almost out of mine. So I have that. And then of course you want to pick up the Sun Balm lip. This is like a SPF in it. So I've actually never seen this in the lip, like the lip balm. I always use, I have one that's tinted and I have one in a regular like chapstick form. So I saw this and I'm like, oh, I kind of like that it's in kind of a lip gloss form. So we're gonna try that out. But it's always good to have an SPF when you're down in Florida. I apologize for the commentary in the background.
And I could throw it away in the garbage.
Oh, this was definitely, this was definitely something that,
Subscribe.
this was, Lucia? Okay, I have my little vlogger here. She's just missing her camera. Okay, so I haven't tried this out yet, but again, another recommendation from Andrea Moberly. I got this umbrella that comes with this large attachment. Now you could put it on a beach chair, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually attach it to my stroller. So I'm gonna have to test this out, and maybe I'll be doing a stroller setup video sometime between now and September trip. But it does have this little locking mechanism, and then it comes with the umbrella, of course. So how she had this set up was she clipped it onto her stroller. She had this for the sun. Obviously it's a UPF 50, it says. So it definitely is gonna keep me out of the sun. And then she also had a setup where she clipped on her fan right onto there. So we're gonna try that for the September trip to see if I like it. I'll report back. In the meantime, yes, this was definitely an impulse buy. Yeah. All right, I got my little fan tester in the background going off if you're wondering what that sound is. So the next few items were purchases that my husband bought. I will be completely honest, I have no idea what they are, what they're used for. If you're curious and you like any of this stuff, you can leave me a comment down below and I'll have him let you know how he likes it. So I know that he does like order the bigger version of this, so I'm guessing that he saw this as a good price and thought maybe it was bigger, because I think we normally get stuff like this from Costco, but it looks like it's a pre-workout mix. I know that he makes one of these almost every day, even when he's not going to the gym. And then I think this is what he got, this creatine monohydrate powder. It says build muscle and strength, boost recovery. Again, I have no idea. Clearly I'm the epitome of healthiness over here. Yeah. All right, so we went to a wedding a couple weeks ago, and he wanted to like just randomly try to order a shirt at last minute. So he actually said what is one of his favorite shirts. He normally buys shirts from Express, which I don't know if you can even go to those stores anymore. I think it might just be online now. And there was another one that Perry Ellis. That's normally his favorite go-to store. So He actually loved this shirt from Amazon so much that he went and bought a black one, so he went and bought another one. So I don't have a great picture of him wearing it because at the wedding he had his suit coat over it, but I will insert a picture of him here with that. But yeah, he definitely looked good. He said he loved the stretch and the hand feel and everything. All right, so that's everything that I grabbed over at Prime Day. I think I did pretty well this year. I didn't spend like a crazy amount. I know there's only so many like Alexas you could buy. There's only so many doorbells, cameras, all the things. So that's normally what we buy on Prime Day, but we have so many of those now that I was able to, I guess, to save some money. Okay. Everything down below. Unfortunately, I am not approved for Amazon storefront yet. But I will link everything, my affiliate links below. If you want to scoop things up and see if they're still on sale. I'll link everything below. And if you love hauls, I have another Disney haul coming up from our last June trip. So you're going to want to stick around and subscribe if you like Disney haul. Alright, so I think that's going to about do it for today's video. If we're not already friends, go ahead and give this video a like. Go ahead and subscribe if we're not already friends. Ring the bell so you'll be notified for all future content. And we'll see you in the next one or at Disney. Thanks for watching.
Bye!
Bye.
I've been all around the world, every city, every place.